Hello everybody, it's your boy Liddy here, and today I'm bringing you a video on how to grow bananas, just giving you an update of what the bananas look like. This is my banana tree. Last video I took was at least a month from now, so this is what your banana tree will look like from a month if if you literally grow this here from a little seed, or you separate this one banana tree from a bunch of banana trees that's growing in one spot. And this is what it'll look like, and as you can see, the other one is growing pretty nicely. And what I use for this is just chicken manure. That's all you need, is some chicken shit and some earthworm castings, and you'll be able to grow pretty good. I mean, yeah, look at these bananas, you guys. Everyone needs potassium in their life, but the best thing about potassium is it helps your body, have more energy and all that there. And also, you can use banana peels to put in your soil to make other vegetables grow better, or that they're, probably a good source of nitrogen for them. If not, the potassium will help them grow bigger, also make the leaves get greener, or that there. Because if you remember, this banana tree used to be all dead looking. Now look at it, it's growing wild. And so is this one here. And these are doing pretty good. And it's only been a month from the last time I uploaded how to grow bananas and all that there. And this is pretty much how it looks like right now. And this is the result of giving it nutrients. And how long you give them nutrients for? I give them nutrients at least twice a week, so I don't kill the plants. Just twice a week. Earthworm castings mixed with chicken shit. And when you water it on your plants, it'll grow better. It's good food for plants, fruits, vegetables, and herbs, and you'll be able to grow a healthy banana plant like this one. And these banana trees are doing so good. I mean, I might not upload another banana video in another month, just to show you the progress of them growing. And yeah, this is pretty much healthy. There's no need to look at my bigger ones like how I did in the last video, because they ain't sprouted no bananas yet. But as soon as they start sprouting, I'll be able to show you what it looks like when you harvest your first thing of bananas, and your first bunch, and I'll teach you how to maintain that bunch and how the bananas will grow bigger and healthier without the stalk snapping. And some people are like, yeah, the stalk snap, it's not growing no more, whoop-de-whoop-de, but I'm gonna teach you how to save it, and so you can keep your bananas for a long time, and you can watch all the other bananas grow out of nowhere. But the thing is, when you grow one from seed, and say if you had a one from seed that grew all the way to full grown where it's bearing bananas, all you have to do is rip one banana out of the bunch, and you just peel it, and then you just tuck it on the ground. That's all you do. Just bury the whole banana on the ground, and then cover it back up and water it. That's how you have a whole bunch of bananas growing in place, and that's how you can get, the small ones like this. But yeah, it's alright. Growing bananas and all that. I mean, you see the rest of my garden growing nice. I'm going to be selling a lot of fruits and vegetables this year. And yeah, and it's pretty much just just bananas I'm really showing you. But that's pretty much how to grow bananas. I only use chicken manure and earthworm castings, and sometimes I get the hydroponic grow, which also helps. But if you guys have any other tips that you already know that I don't know, feel free to drop some comments in the comment section down below. And that's it for this video on how to grow banana trees from little seed to full grown, seed to harvest, whatever. But this is just a how to grow bananas update, and to let you know how they're doing. And also, by the time the first day of summer comes, they're going to be real tall, so stay tuned for that. Also, don't forget, drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.